In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Hotmail QR code in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your email access or experiment with new features, getting your Hotmail QR code can be a quick and easy process. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Outlook login page provided by Microsoft 365. This is where we can access our Hotmail account securely. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the address, or click through from a bookmarked link if you have it saved. Once you're on the landing page, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right part of the screen. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your email and password at the ready. After signing in, you'll be directed to the main Outlook mail interface. Now, this might look familiar to many of you because it's essentially your home base for managing emails. Next, we're going to access the settings. You should see a gear icon, often found at the top right corner of the window. Click that to open the settings menu. If you're finding it tricky to locate, remember, it usually sits alongside other small icons, so just keep an eye out for that little gear. With the settings panel now open, the next step is to tap on Mail. This section will include various options that allow you to customize how your emails and related features work. By selecting Mail, you'll find yourself looking at other configuration options that help personalize your email usage. Now look down the list and find Forwarding and IMAP. This is where we can manage incoming and outgoing email servers and related features. Clicking on this option will bring you directly to the area of interest. We are almost there, just one more step to complete the process. Finally, within the Forwarding and IMAP settings, you'll see the option for a QR code. Clicking on this will generate your unique Hotmail QR code. This code can be useful for various security and connectivity features, making it easy to efficiently link your device to your email account without having to enter your credentials painstakingly each time. And there you have it. In just 5 simple steps, you've successfully generated your Hotmail QR code. This little digital shortcut can be a real time saver and just adds a layer of convenience to your everyday email management. As always, make sure to keep your QR code secure and only share it with trusted devices. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.